Hi guys, my name is Brianna and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing this canvas blockhead set. So it comes in this packaging and when you open it up it looks like this. So this is their 22-inch head. This big. It also comes with some other items. So this, what is this? Oh, it's like a wig cap or to go inside of the wig. Has adjustable straps. And 2 clips, red and purple, and some needles, 2 of which are sewing needles. This weaving cap, some thread or string, and these are the pieces to sit the blockhead up. And then it comes with this image of how to put it together. So this is what the bottom looks like. I'm going to try to put it together. So I guess it's supposed to be like this. Alright, that's it, I think. What do you hook it onto though? Oh, I guess you're supposed to get your own stand to put it on? I did this because that's kind of what the instructions said. Alright. I'm guessing that black part is what you put inside of it. Can't put this inside, so. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other type of videos you want to see from me. I normally do wig or lock videos, some natural hairstyle videos, but I was contacted to do a video on this, so I did it.